Hey y'all, I'm gonna jump right into this video. This is what I'm doing. I had cleaned and peeled some sweet potatoes off camera. Initially, I wasn't gonna film this video, but after I did everything and cut everything up, I said, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and film the video to show what I'm doing. I'm making homemade sweet potato fries from scratch. I'm not gonna fry them, I'm gonna bake them. Because once you start making everything fresh, you do not want to eat anything frozen. Like, once I started making this fresh, that was it. Nothing frozen. Because then you don't even have to worry about all that extra added ingredients that's unnecessary. So, with all that being said, now I'm going to get ready to just drizzle my sweet potato fries with some avocado oil. You saw a photo of the one that I use. I'm not going to call a name in this video, but I always use avocado oil. Tried it with olive oil. I prefer just using avocado oil. I like the flavor. I like how everything turned out. So stick with what I use. Now I'm getting ready to add everything else that I'm going to be putting in to season everything up. And this consists of seasoning with rosemary. Rosemary is good for digestion, stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. Rosemary is also detoxifying to the body by supporting liver function, helping to detoxify the liver. This is just a couple of the benefits. You could also do your research to see other health benefits of rosemary, but I love rosemary. So if you notice, I sprinkled a lot of rosemary on here. I'm going to toss it up. Next, I'm going to add thyme, which is rich in antioxidants when combined with sweet potatoes, which is also high in the antioxidant beta-carotene. It's an antioxidant powerhouse. Combining these two together, this herb is good with flavor and it's also good for its health benefits. It also has antimicrobial properties, supporting gut health by fighting off harmful bacteria in the gut. Thyme also helps improve digestion and helps reduce bloating. Next is the onion powder. I can't forget about the onion powder. Onion powder has sulfur compounds, which has anti-inflammatory effects. And if you don't know, onion powder also contains several beneficial minerals. So that's good and healthy to add to your sweet potato fries as well. Next, sprinkle in the sea salt of your choice. My choice is pink Himalayan sea salt, so that's what I use. I just eyeball everything. I don't measure nothing out, but it comes out perfect every time. It's the same every time. It's never salty. It's never under seasoned. The avocado oil will help everything adhere together. So now I'm just going to toss everything up with my hands to make sure everything is coated. Because you want to do this part. This is the important part because you don't want to have some fries that's not even seasoned. So just toss everything up. My oven was already on at 400 degrees, preheating while I was chopping up everything prior to even start filming this video. So once I finish this step, it's time to just spread them out in my baking sheet, because I have not a baking sheet, but a baking basket. I will show how it looks in a second because I'm getting stuff situated off camera. Now that I have everything in a baking basket, everything is spread out, I'm going to just go ahead and put them in the oven. But I like the baking basket for the sweet potato fries because you don't have to worry about flipping them. They just cook all the way through. And it's going in the oven for 38 minutes on 400 degrees. And my oven is electric, so I'm only going off of electric, not a gas oven. So 38 minutes in my oven. Earlier in the video, I was talking about fat-soluble vitamins. So for those who don't know, I will put those vitamins on the screen so you can know what those vitamins are. These vitamins are primarily metabolized by the liver, and the liver plays a crucial role in storing, processing, and distributing these vitamins throughout the body. Additionally, because they are fat soluble, these vitamins require bile from the liver and the gallbladder for proper digestion and absorption in the intestines. So if you didn't know that part, now you know. And this is what homemade sweet potato fries look like. I mono eat my sweet potato fries. Usually I eat it plain by itself, but this time I have like some vegan ranch dressing that I'm going to use to dip. But I like mono eating them. I don't like to eat with nothing else on the side. I just like to mono eat my sweet potato fries when I make them, which is eating it by itself. With that being said, this concludes the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Don't gatekeep it to yourself. Share the video if you know it could help somebody else that's looking to cook fresh, that's looking to change their diet, that's looking to go plant-based. Share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more food videos and quick healthy meals. Leave your comments and questions below. And as always, thanks for watching. I will be making more videos. I know I said that when I first started this channel, but I'm serious. I will be making more videos because so many people want to change to a healthy lifestyle but don't know where to start. So I'm here to help y'all. But y'all have to share these videos. Y'all have to share these videos. Y'all have to engage in the comments. So with that being said, thanks again for watching and share the video.